So this is the way into Cedar Creek Waterfall, that lake that you just saw over by the visitor center there, that feeds this waterfall. And the lake naturally drains into this waterfall, so when it's in the wet season, we've been getting a bunch of storms, this waterfall really gets to ripping off of here. But this waterfall was the #1 reason why they designed this whole park. I forgot how the story goes, but the guy said that he came and saw this waterfall and thought it was the most beautiful area ever and decided to create the park. So hit pause and you can read this. Beautiful canyon here too. You pause this and read it. Pause it and read it here too. On the Cedar Falls in the winter. Here's the story. Hit pause again and read this. Yeah. You can walk to the top of it, but you can't get that close. There's...
Oh, no, I meant like the trail that goes down to it.
Oh.
Like the visitors center.
Yeah. It's pretty cool.